myself it matters when I'm going down a hole to the depth of darkness to go mining. No one there would see you really care enough to know if I come back up with something shining. The one I work for says I get paid off on down the line in some inner land of hope and glory. Who out there would know the difference if he's right or wrong? No one I know would even buy the story. I tell myself, or is there someone else? Every time I'm falling, I can hear a higher calling, like an answer right before I cry for help. And you tell yourself you're boring through a wall for being free. Who knows how long to the other side? Could be an inch or be a yard, you gotta let it be. Know it only when you see some light. And faith, the final refuge, is the only place to grow. Call it working even if it fails. Some will follow, others lead, and some just go along. Who among them would believe the tales you tell yourself? You tell yourself. Or is there someone else? Every time you're falling, you can hear a higher call, like an answer right before you cry for help. Whoa, well, so you tell yourself it matters when you're going down a hole into the depth of darkness to go mining. No one there would see you really care enough to know if you come back up with something shining.